The governor of the Khomas region, giving the feedback on the COVID-19 situation in the region, expressed concern of the region's positivity yield, which currently stands at 39.4%, and the region's overwhelmed testing sites and excessive oxygen demand.
We have 913 active contacts under monitoring. We also have 1,697 people in isolation. And with that number, we are having 301, and 1 people are in government isolation and quarantine facilities, of course, respectively. Ever since we started the vaccination, when it was introduced in the Republic, we are not doing that well, but we are at a mark. And we have registered 49,999 people that has been vaccinated so far. And that is for both first and second dose. Now in the process of trying to address the issue, we are meeting challenges along the road. And some of these challenges, just to mention but a few, there could be many as a shopping list, but let me speak to the issue of excessive oxygen demand in our health facilities. It's very high.
Also present at the update was the Khomas Regional Commander, who notes that while on operation last weekend, the police has observed non-adherence of individuals to COVID-19 protocols, having done most of its arrests for 235 individuals for having violated movement beyond the stipulated curfew.
We have different violations. We have this one that are selling alcohol between Friday and Sunday. We have this one that are violating movement after 9 o'clock. And then you have the face mask, failure to wear face mask. In total for this weekend, that is only Friday and Saturday. We arrested for selling of alcohol, it was 15 of them. That is from Friday to Saturday. That is the illegal selling, because we are not supposed to sell alcohol during Friday. From Friday to Thursday. And then on the violation of 9 o'clock, no curfew, no movement, that is where the most people were arrested. That is about 235.
Sure.
That is only for Friday, Saturday night. And I can also confirm with you that this is just Friday, Saturday. But daily, Monday to Monday, there's no less than 20 people arrested on a day, particularly on the movement of people on the streets. Like from 9 o'clock, anytime from 9 o'clock after 9. So that is not just locally, it's also incoming from other towns. 9 o'clock is supposed to be moving, but people are still moving. That is the biggest concern. In terms of movement, we say that movement is the spread, is the breeding ground of, that is the way the coronavirus can spread. The movement from one person to another person, one place to another place.
Going forward, the Khomas governor notes that her office will continue engagement with the necessary stakeholders to ensure adherence to COVID-19 regulations by Khomas residents, further adding that the council is working to identify more sites to be used for vaccination for those that are unable to access the current sites.
Now, if you look at Windhoek, we have 10 constituencies, and we seemingly have also made an offer to the line ministry to say that line ministries, please make use of our constituency offices. It is very difficult for our people to travel to even Katutura Hospital. If a person is living in Samora Machel, that distance, the money for the taxi and the whatnot. So we thought maybe to decentralize that function to the constituencies, and maybe if need be, to look at the schools currently that are closed, if we cannot make use of those venues, just for us to really beef up the exercise of testing and vaccination.
The Regional Health Director for the Khomas region further confirmed that the country's health authorities should receive another consignment of the Sinopharm vaccine on Wednesday. The Ministry of Health and Social Services on Tuesday announced the depletion of vaccines in the Khomas region and has thus closed its vaccination sites.